Welcome to this tutorial on setting up BMO Smart Saver, a convenient and easy-to-use savings tool offered by the Bank of Montreal. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your BMO Smart Saver account, helping you to start saving money automatically. First, you need to have a BMO checking account and be registered for online banking. If you don't have a BMO account, you can easily open one online or by visiting a local branch. Once you have your account, log into your online banking and navigate to the Savings Goals section. Next, click on the Set Up Smart Saver option and choose the account you want to transfer funds from. You can select your primary checking account or any other BMO account you have. Then, decide how much you want to save each month and how often you want the transfers to occur. You can choose to transfer a fixed amount or a percentage of your income. Now, select the savings account where you want the funds to be transferred to. This can be an existing BMO savings account or a new one that you can open during the setup process. Review your Smart Saver settings to ensure everything is correct and confirm the setup. Your BMO Smart Saver is now set up and ready to start transferring funds to your savings account. You can track your progress and make changes to your Smart Saver settings at any time through online banking. Remember to review and adjust your savings goals regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your financial objectives. By following these simple steps, you can set up your BMO Smart Saver and start building your savings automatically. This tool is a great way to develop healthy savings habits and work towards your long-term financial goals.